I've been in AI professionally for around 20 years. Initially as a PhD student in Toronto with Jeff Hinton, more recently as a faculty member at Mila in Montreal. But over the years, I came to realize that what I have in my mind when I hear AI is something quite different than what a lot of people have in their mind when they hear AI. When I hear AI, artificial intelligence, I think about something like this. Our dream of building real-life companions that are around you, that can see you, understand you, and interact with you naturally and fluently. There's an academic term for this, which is called situated. Another term would be human-like. AI, to me, or the dream of building AI, has a lot to do with building human-like AI systems that understand the world in a way that's very similar to how humans understand the world, and thereby become companions to us. What a lot of people in the industry seem to think when they hear AI is more something like this. Superhuman capabilities like pick and place in a factory, or algorithms running in the cloud that tell you which ad to place in response to a search query or in response to a video you're watching right now. Things like that. As futuristic and science fiction as the more real-life human-like AI companions might seem, I would argue that their harbingers are here with us today already, and we're getting used to interacting with them day by day.